When you think of how small an atom is, it's hard to believe that they're made up of even smaller pieces of matter, generally referred to as subatomic particles. While there are many different kinds of subatomic particles, the three main ones are protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons and neutrons are subatomic particles located in the center of the atom, called the nucleus. Even though the nucleus makes up 99.9% of the mass of an atom, it is 100,000 times smaller than the entire atom. If we let this marble represent the nucleus of an atom at one end of the soccer field, the outer limits of the atom would be at the other end of the field. Amazing! Protons are positively charged subatomic particles located in the nucleus. Sometimes a plus sign is used to indicate the positive charge of a proton. Neutrons, another type of subatomic particle in the nucleus, do not have a plus sign. You decide. What type of charge do neutrons possess? Neutrons do not have a charge. In other words, they have a neutral charge. Electrons are the third type of subatomic particle. They have a negative charge, symbolized by a minus sign. Electrons have a tiny mass compared to protons and neutrons. In fact, it takes 1,800 electrons to equal the mass of a single proton. Electrons are not found in the nucleus, but instead orbit at very high speeds around the outside of the atom. They orbit in paths, but they travel at such high speeds that the space in which they travel is referred to as an electron cloud. Think of an electron cloud kind of like a swarm of bees around their hive. Except unlike bees, electrons travel at incredibly high speeds, whirling about the nucleus billions of times in a second. You've heard the old phrase, opposites attract. Well, negatively charged electrons are held in orbit by a force of attraction with positively charged protons in the nucleus.